Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I just woke up from a long, well-needed nap. It's 1 p.m. and let me just give you guys a rundown. No, we had a long, busy, eventful weekend. From Saturday to Sunday was really busy. We were out Saturday, out Sunday, and Saturday, because of my blood test and all those things, I was just lounging in bed for the rest of the afternoon. So it was just kind of tiring, really. Sunday we were out with friends, then Jen was over, and then I finished up the day, and that was tiring too. So I needed a well-needed nap. So this morning is school for Tyler. Woke up on time on my alarm, made him breakfast, and went back to lay down because I had like 15 minutes for him to eat, so I could just lay down. I didn't know that I would fall back asleep, and I guess I was that tired I fell asleep. And it's like I was dreaming, or I hear him calling me in my sleep, and I jump up and I look at my clock and I'm like, oh my god, it's 8:20. 8:20 is when Tyler school open, and that's the time when we reach school every morning. 8:20. I'm like, no. So I don't know where that flash came from. I jump up and he was right there beside me, so obviously he was calling me in my sleep. It's like God sent him to wake me up, and I just flash and put on his uniform and rush him out the house, and we just shut our stuff down the street because school opened at 8:20 and closed at 8:30, so we had 10 minutes to reach school. So we reach school on time. We run down the street and reach school on time. Thank God school is close to home. So that's what happened this morning. I was just like, oh my god, it's just crazy. Baby's off to work. However, babe also had a dilemma. Babe had a situation because I told you guys in yesterday's vlog that the Chinese president is here and they block the entire promenade. So it's like everybody life stopped since yesterday, really. You cannot drive on the promenade. No bus is allowed to drive on the promenade, and there's nowhere else. Well, the buses can drive on the back road and on another road adjacent to the promenade, and people can drive adjacent to the promenade. But just think about how important the promenade is, and because it's closed, the traffic and the chaos that is happening on that road. So babe messaged me and says that he had to, his bus only dropped him halfway. He had to get out of the bus because the bus couldn't go any further, and then he had to take the tram to a certain point. The tram stop wasn't going any further, and then he had to walk the rest of the journey. So he had to walk to work this morning. He had to walk about maybe like 20 minutes or so to get to work. So that's what happened with babe this morning. So everybody had, we all had some kind of situation going on, but apart from that, we are good. We are good apart from that, and we have life, and we are grateful. And yeah, so that's the story time for this morning. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. And then I got home from dropping Ty at school, and I was just taking my time to walk back home because of course after rushing I was breathing like, oh my god, what just happened? So I take my time, got back home, had breakfast, and then I said to babe that I was trying to edit, and I text babe and I said, honey, I can't hang anymore. My eyes are closing. That was like about 10:20. So by 10:30 I was in bed, and as I go in bed, there goes my doorbell ring. Doorbell ring, and this is what showed up. Packages from you guys that I haven't opened as yet. So I know these are all from the registry, so you guys won't be able to see what's in that until I'm doing the unboxing. The male guy started laughing when he rang my doorbell because every day he sees me, he have a bunch of packages for me. So I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much again for everything that you have purchased from the registry for baby girl. You guys are a blessing in disguise. You guys are amazing. You guys are the best subscribers. You guys are the best faves. You guys are the best family members in the entire world. I love you guys and we appreciate all the love, and I'm sure babe and Tyler and baby girl echoes the exact sentiment. So I'm just sending you guys lots of love, just like you guys are sending us, and a lot of positivity and a lot of good energy. But right now I am going to have some lunch, some leftovers that was in the fridge, and then I am going to try and do a little editing and get ready for work because I have work in the evening. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. I know today vlog won't be much because I am not going to do much today. I'm just going to relax and do a few little things, nothing too hectic, because I still feel a little tired. But with all that said, thank you guys for all the love, and if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys at some point. Just as I put down the camera and was about to eat earlier, my doorbell rang again and more gifts arrived. This big one came with this bag. So all these things came today. What a blessing! Almighty God, you're awesome. That's more than a blessing. That's beyond everything. That's beyond anything I could ever imagine in this life ever happening to me. And I'm so grateful. Look at that. All of this. Just for a princess. God is good. Okay, you guys, now this baby mama is off to work, so I'll catch you guys when I get back. And I think baby is going to the doctor today because this cough of his is not going away, so he made an appointment, so he shall go to the doctor this evening after he pick up Tyler. So I'll give you guys an update on how that goes. So I'm off. Bye guys. You guys, I'm back home from work. Husband is home.
Hi guys.
Okay, I'm going for it. I'm coming back, okay?
Okay.
So you guys, a package came today that
I'm excited.
Babe says excited to that. I don't know. It's actually two packages came that I wasn't sure who sent it. But one, the big one, I found out who sent it. But one that came, which is for Tyler, I don't know who sent it, so I'm gonna show you guys what it is, and if it's you that send it to me, either send me an inbox message or comment down below and let me know if it's you. And thank you so much. Tyler's about to see what it is right now, and you guys know that the characters he's into, so he's gonna love this. All right, those are all the things that came today. You guys, look how all these boxes stocking up. Look at all that. The love for baby girl is real. All right, Tyler is waiting. Tyler, mama, come in. Close your eyes. Okay, open your eyes. Sit here. You have to open it. Pull it out. Pull it out of the bag. Okay. Now take out that one. Take it out of the bag.
C'est un sac. That's a bag.
Turn it around. What's on it?
Dinosaur. I said that I want to bring the dinosaur bag to school.
You want to bring it to school? You want to bring that one tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna write your name on it, okay?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Look in the camera and say thank you.
Thank
Look at the camera,
Thank you
Tyler.
for my dinosaur bag.
you for my dinosaur bag.
Happy face.
We bring it to school tomorrow, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Alright. You guys, babe stopped at the supermarket and pick up a few things for me. So of course, he gotta do a little haul.
I have to escape from this duty.
Why you want to escape? You're so good at it. What you got?
I got some sweet peppers.
So why you got two red?
Because there was no yellow. So that was the only way to get the yellow. So you better enjoy having two red. And that's bio. I think about you. That's bio.
Okay.
Because you... Well, sweet peppers, not for me. Not for me.
What do you mean not for you? So who I cook it for?
For you, the sweet peppers. Some garlic. Oh, this morning, just babe wanted some little stuff. She told me I have to stop at the little supermarket to get things. So obviously, I didn't get enough vegetables on the last supermarket, so she wanted.
I had forget some things. That's why I sent you to go get these.
I got you two garlic. I got you some apple.
Yes, because I want to start making.
Yeah, I don't know if you like
juice.
them, but because
That's okay.
they are the prettiest. The other one they were ugly, and you always tell me not to take the ugly.
So you know how it goes.
And finally, it's a little supermarket things. And finally, I get some plantain. It's the same thing.
Yes,
They
Tyler.
teach me how to pick up the plantain. She tell me the biggest.
I don't want the spoon to be like that.
Okay.
She tell me she want the biggest plantain and the less with some no black spot.
The bigger the plantain, the better it is.
The bigger the plantain, the better it is.
Yes.
Well, so I got some really big plantain.
So why are you holding up the plantain like that?
Let me hold the plantain the way I want to hold the plantain. There is no such, like, there's no such things as right way to hold the plantain.
Is this the way you're holding it while I ask?
Only the sausage.
Anyway, you guys, those are all the little knickknacks that babe got from the supermarket, and I'm going to go hunt some food, and I think he's just about hungry right now too. Mama have a gift for you.
It's what?
Well, it's not from Mama, it's from... Wait, sit. Let me tell you who it's from. No peeking.
I can't.
No peeking. It is from... Oh, where is the name? I soon tell you who it's from.
Okay.
Okay, you ready to see what it is?
Yeah. A robot for me. Mama?
Yeah?
I forget my favorite robot.
That's your favorite robot?
Yes,
You forget it where?
I forget it in the mail. I forget my favorite robot.
I need to look for the name of the person who sent this so you can tell them thanks. You want to open the box and see the robot?
Yeah.
You know this robot can talk. You know that?
Yes. I
Okay.
want to open it.
You want to open it? Alright, let's open it. No! Let Mama do that. Honey, help me please. Okay, this robot is from
Tell her you're excited.
Yeah.
Auntie Patsy. Say thank you, Auntie P,
Thank you, Auntie P.
for my robot.
For my robot.
You like it?
He's excited.
Stay away from the scissors. Look, he's gonna dance and he's gonna talk. But guess what?
What?
Papa gonna have to put battery in it.
Ah, c'est la télécommande.
Oh.
C'est la télécommande.
Yeah, so you can tell it what to do. Music, dance.
Ah, regarde.
Whoa!
C'est le robot.
Dad, look!
That's the instruction.
Mama, can I?
Dada, look!
Can I do the télécommande to stop it? Mama?
Wait, he's gonna show you what he can do.
Mama?
Yeah?
The télécommande.
Wait, Papa gonna have to put battery in it. Listen what he's saying.